introduction of my second YouTube video. We're going to the North Ship Blue Hole. We're in Tennessee. We're in Chattanooga. The time changed on us.
Yeah, it's now 3:55. Mine says 4:55.
Yeah,
this is 3:55. It's a greenhouse. It's sage green.
These Tennessee houses.
Like 54 minutes till we get there.
I haven't seen a bathroom stop.
Trailers.
We're in the country.
In the middle of the damn country.
Hillbillies. We're in the Goonies, yo.
We're in the boonies. We're in the middle of God knows where in Tennessee. Good old Tennessee. Old Smoky Mountains.
Oh, we're with Emily.
Emily's here.
Hey, y'all, we made it to the...
Trails are better than treadmills.
Olivia. Why is it reversed?
I don't know.
Emily.
We are 00 trail marker.
We need to pee.
Let's walk that way because I think it says Blue Holes that way.
This sign does say that. So, oh, look. Follow the blue.
Is that your car?
No, my car sounds like a girl. It's like beep, beep, beep. This is kind of scary. Is this the Appalachian Mountains?
I think so.
Oh, hell no. I'm scared.
They're in North Georgia, the Appalachian Mountains.
They connect like through Tennessee all the way to like fucking Massachusetts.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It's like the biggest forest, one of them.
It would say Appalachian Trails.
True. Blue marker. Would y'all camp out here in a tent? Sorry, y'all. I'm munching on a sandwich. We made it. Somebody test out the waters. No, it's so cold.
Really?
Yes. So fucking cold.
Are you crazy? That shit is so disrespectful. So disrespectful. That shit got me so hot.
Yeah. It is freezing.
Maybe we just say fuck it.
Ooh, you do it first. You are crazy. Don't slip. It's like going in a cold plunge. Olivia said, fuck it, school's done. I came to swim.
Okay, it's local. It's not too bad.
Oh, hell no, Olivia.
It's very mossy though.
Probably slippery. Be careful. It's freezing. Literally freezing. I bet if you put a thermometer in this bitch, it'd be like 30 degrees. Ooh. Ooh, it's fucking cold. Olivia, no. I'm gonna get hypothermia. My feet are going numb.
Me too. Okay, but they're getting used to it though.
It's pretty though, but it's literally freezing. It needs to be like 90 degrees. Cloudy. I mean, at least it's cute.
My body's kind of getting used to it. It's still cold. My feet hurt, but
My feet, yeah.
Okay.
See a waterfall. Emily said you're in the arena.
Y'all, I'm in a house. This used to be a house. Ah! There's a bug on me! Ah! Is there any bugs on me? No. I feel like something's crawling on me. No.
Ew.
This was somebody's house.
See, look.
We're almost to the waterfall. If we have time, we're gonna go to another one. It's near here because they have 2 waterfalls. We just went down the stairs and we're almost there. Look how pretty this is. And there's a lower one we're gonna go see. waterfall, we're right next to it. Literally right there.
Starting, but
I'm on top of a rock. Imagine I jumped in. So pretty though. This rock wasn't here. Yay! It's so pretty. Look at this fucking waterfall. It's so big. We're leaving the waterfall, but it's so pretty. Huge. Look at these shitty ass stairs. Oh hell no, this shit is huge, big.
yeah, this is the swimming area.
You need to come here when it gets really hot. Look how dark it is. This closes at sunset. So I'm gonna record our last moments alive. I'm just kidding. We're almost to the car. We're almost there, y'all. We are the only ones here. Yay! Where to next? Hey y'all, we're at Bucky's. Thank y'all for coming with me to the waterfall. We finished the waterfall, and now I'm at Bucky's. We're at Bucky's. Hey y'all, we're at Bucky's. You never been here?
This looks just like LA.
They have all the drinks in the world. Look, it's huge. We're at Bucky's where you're not supposed to ruffle my feathers. Give me some sugar. Honestly, this is some cute shit. Raised on sweet tea and Jesus.
Looking like Bucee the Beaver himself.
Look at this. This is creepy. Actually really cute. I like that one. These signs. Grilling and chilling. If I'm missing, I'm probably fishing. Is it real? These poor cows. Okay, they got the bears. Welcome to the cabin. Don't worry about anything. Yeah.
No, you put that up as like a decoration in your den.
Oh, this is cute.
That's real. Jaguar
Is it really?
leather.
No, it's not. There's
Oh, I found a J.
J's are everywhere.
Classy, sweet, and sassy.
Jesus loves this hot mess. Why are you so close? You're like,
That's how people like it.
this is cute. Bon appetit, y'all. I guess this is the rest of skincare shark. I see an ass. Make mine a double. Hey y'all, I think I'm done with this video.